So we're down here in my basement in my wood shop, and my friends over at OutfitR's, they contacted me and wanted me to try out this new power jack for the front of the RV camper. And at first I said, well, you know, I've got a lot of things going on. It's winter. We can't do a whole lot right now. But they said, don't worry about it. We're going to send it to you, and you take a look at it and see what you think about it. And so that's what we're going to do here. Eventually, we're going to get it on the actual camper and then try it out. But just basically want to do a little bit of an unboxing here and explain to you why you might want something like this. Like I say, the one that's on my camper is getting kind of old. It's a Lippert, and it's getting kind of slow. And it's actually only rated at 3,500 pounds. This one here is rated at 5,000 pounds. And I think it's a 21-inch reach. It's got a couple of features that I want to show you when we get it apart here. And I'll show it to you that might come handy for me. One is it's a little bit faster. And another one is it actually has a part that drops down that it actually you can get your camper set up quicker. So those are the two things I'm looking forward to checking out. And but anyway, for now, we're just going to undo it here. And like I said, another couple of reasons that you might want to get one of these. Either your camper, the actual one that comes with your camper goes out, which the Lippert brands are quite expensive. These are a little cheaper, and I think these are built actually a little heavier dutier than those are. And so this is a little bit cheaper option. Also, if you have a camper or something that just has a regular old manual jack, you definitely want to improve to something like this. So those are the reasons why. And so anyway, we'll go ahead. I've already kind of loosened it up here. I cut it a little bit, opened it so we can open it up pretty easy. So we're going to open this thing up and see what we got here. So there it is. So this one's designed for the normal A-frame type setup where you have these 3 bolts. So this is the type you want to have. If you have this kind of hookup, it should be relatively easy just to swap out those 3 bolts and then rehook your wires up. You've got a hot line and a neutral line that you have to hook up. But so this is it without the box, and I've got it out of here. And like I say, it comes with the 3 bolts that you need to put it onto your 3-bolt system. It comes with an instruction manual, and also comes with this handle for manual operation. So one thing like I say I was going to show you is that the reason I like this is that, like I say, you have this on the actual camper. You can let it down a little bit, and then at this point you can actually pull this pin out. And normally when you pull that pin out, you just have the bottom plate would come out, but in this case you have an extra extension. You can come out to this far here, so you can extend it another, I guess it's about another 6 inches, and that way you don't have to jack that down as far. And then when you're ready to go, you can either pull it completely out or put it back in and put your pin back in there. Anyway, that's what we have. And like I say, in the future, we're going to get this and put it on the actual GeoPro camper that I have. And we're going to give it a try. And we're going to try to use it through the spring and summer and see how well that works out. But that's about all I have for this particular video. Just wanted to show you this is what's coming up in the future. But it's just an option for someone that needs to replace one. And like I say, I'm going to try it out over long term and see how well it works. So hope you'll stick around with me and we'll give it a shot. So that's about all I have for this video, and we'll see you on another one.